In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to connect your Epson L6170 printer to Wi-Fi and easily print directly from your mobile phone. Let us get started.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, we have the Epson L6170 printer here. And in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect your mobile phone to this printer using Wi-Fi. In the first step, go to the screen of the printer. Since this model does not have a touch display, you will need to use the physical buttons to navigate. Now, move to the Wi-Fi icon that appears at the top of the screen and press the OK button to continue. Now you have two options. The first option is for Wi-Fi router, which connects the printer to your home or office network. The second option is Wi-Fi Direct, which allows the printer to connect directly to your mobile phone or tablet. Now, all you need to do is press the OK button to proceed. The screen will inform you that up to 4 devices can be connected to the printer via Wi-Fi at the same time. Then, press the OK button again to continue. Now the printer's Wi-Fi is turned on, and you can see the Wi-Fi name and password on the screen. If you want to change the password, watch this video carefully. Next, select the Wi-Fi Direct option again and press the OK button. Now you will see a new option called Change Settings. Open this option. From here, you can change the password or disable the Wi-Fi if you want. We're changing the password and setting it to a number between 1 and 8 to keep it simple. Now that the printer's Wi-Fi Direct is turned on, simply take your mobile phone and connect it to the printer's Wi-Fi. Once you are connected via Wi-Fi, easily open your gallery to find a file or photo you want to print. Select your printer from the print options, adjust the settings as needed, and then tap the print icon. You can easily print directly from your gallery, but if you want to print professionally with advanced settings, install the Epson iPrint app on your phone. The download link is available in the description. Now you know how to connect your mobile phone to the Epson L6170 printer using Wi-Fi Direct and print your files easily.